Hi everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to retrieve Stripe API keys and integrate them with your Telegram bot for seamless payment processing. Let's dive in and go through the steps one by one. To manage your API keys in Stripe, follow these steps. Visit the Stripe official website and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the developer section in the dashboard. Select the API keys option. Here, you will find a toggle button. If you switch it on, the system will operate in test mode for testing purposes. If you switch it off, the system will operate in live mode for real transactions. This toggle allows you to easily switch between test and live environments as needed. For this demonstration, I'll be using test keys. Follow these steps. Toggle the mode to test mode. Under the API keys section, locate your secret key and copy it. Open your Telegram bot admin panel and select the payment integration option. From the list of payment integrations, choose Stripe. The bot will prompt you to enter the secret key. Paste the key you copied from Stripe and confirm. The Stripe integration will now be added to your bot. If needed, you can remove the integration at any time by selecting the Remove Integration option from the payment settings. The same procedure applies when using live keys. If you enjoyed our video and are interested in purchasing our product, click the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.